Right, embedding can be applied, so as I said, for the images, videos, and also for sounds. These are the main things, right? Images, videos, sounds, main thing. So embedding means when you load the page, it will be displayed in the web browser. So we call another term for displaying rendering. It will be rendered or it will be processed in the web browser. So without explicitly going to the link, you can see that, you can feel that in the web page. Okay, so let's see how this video links and sounds can be, and PDFs can also be embedded. Some websites are embedding PDF, but most of the things, so let's say Word file, Excel file, PowerPoint file, so embedding will be quite difficult, right? So you have to, maybe you have to write special script for embedding that. Or browsers are supporting limited amount of files, limited number of files, not everything. So embedding everything is not possible because some it's risky to embed. For an example, exe files, executables, it's risky to embed that. So therefore they avoid that. But basically, embedding can be, this is famous because of the images. And images can be embedded different ways, either a local image or internet image, or using absolute reference in even, you can embed images. Let's see video embedding and embedding these things, everything, let's see in one single web page. So let's create a new page. Just, okay, I'm just editing green.html, this one, or yellow.html. Yes, let's edit yellow for embedding. I just want to embed an image. So the tag is imgsrc is the source code or the location. Then I can give the image name. Let's say im1.jpg. So in this case, im1.jpg should be there in my desktop here. Users, the Nilanjana desktop, because I'm in the desktop folder. So this image should be there in the desktop folder too. Then only I can display that. Simple as that. This is embedded. Save it, go refresh it, and in yellow.html you can see the image. It's a very large image. You can see it's a very large image there. And so let's include another one. im2e.jpg still, I think it's larger one. Yes, but you can reduce the size. So let's go to the yellow.html, right? This is frame sets. No need to go to the frame set. You can directly go to the yellow.html file, and the image will be there. Okay, this file is larger. So if you want to reduce the size of the file, so that is possible. You can include width attribute to reduce the file. So let's say width equals 600 and will be reduced to 600 pixels. All right. And another thing is you can add the border. Border can be added. So it's a 5 pixel borders, 5 pixels border. So it will display a black color 5 pixel border around the image. And if you want to make it center align, I'm not sure whether this will work, but let's try. Align equals center. Alignment equals, no, it's not working. So just ignore that. So you can just add it in the center tag. Center tag, that is the best way. Center tag. Okay, please write down this first. This is how you embed image. Just write down these basics.
So can you add multiple images?
Yes, it's possible. So only thing is just image tag should be self-closed, right? That is the proper way. I couldn't mention, sorry. Image tag should be self-closed. If you want multiple images, you can add like this. Let's say another image. But you should have the image, right? im3 jpg. Okay, you should have that image, then you can add. You can see the second image is also there. So this is inside center tag, so you can see center line. Okay, you can write down this size. Width can be controlled, height can be controlled. Width and height both can be controlled, but that is ugly, right? If you don't know the image, don't mention width and height both, because if you assume and assign height like 200, you can see then it will be like this. තැලිලා වගේ ඉන්නේ. ඒක කැපයි. එහෙමත් දානවා සමහරව ඒක හොඳ වැඩක් නෙමෙයි. හරි. එහෙම image තලන්න එපා. එතකොට proportionately ඒක නැති වුණාම කැපයි. So if you want to keep the proportion, give only one property, either height or width. Height will automatically adjust the width. Height will automatically adjust the width, or width can automatically adjust the height. But don't give both if you don't know the proportions. If you know the proportions, you can give. If you don't know the proportions, don't give that. Okay, this is how you, and another thing, another one thing. So this mentioned this as well. ALT, a couple, and another ALT here. A couple, let's say in goal, something like this. And let's add another image, non-existing image, a fake image, a fake.jpg. That image is not there, or image not there, image not there.jpg. It's a fake one. So basically when it's a fake image, so you can see the border and the text. That is why this ALT is there. When image is not there, ALT, the alternative text, will be displayed in the image area. Image border will be visible and alternative text will be visible in the image area. So that's why ALT is important. So these are the important attributes related to image. Only compulsory attribute is only this one. SRC is the compulsory attribute. All other attributes are optional. SRC is the compulsory attribute. Please write down this quickly. Embedding images. If there are videos, it is possible to embed videos too. So when embedding videos, so let's see, let's remove the fake image, right? That is not necessary here. I think you have finished writing. If not, take a screenshot, right? If not, take a screenshot. Okay, let's change this, and I'm going to add a video SRC. Then you can give the source video link. So I don't have video in my desktop, I'm sure for sure. So let me check. Okay, I think here Sri Lanka Paradise, it's there. MP4. Sri Lanka Paradise MP4. Video SRC, and video has a closing tag. So let's close, refresh, and you can see, right? Video is basically coming to the page. Video SRC, but the thing is you need to mention few more attributes, because by default some videos will not be played inside the browser window. Some videos will not be played inside the browser window, right? And there's another one, you can use Embed SRC. Embed SRC. So let's try for that. Embed SRC. Actually, that is also a self-closing tag. Okay. Okay, that's working. Embed SRC, that's working for us. Video is also a tag, right? Which you can use, but with special attributes. Video tag HTML5. Let me show that in our. So if you want to know about tags, the best place is W3 Schools. Recommended. You can just go and see, go and study this. And here you can see video and sorry. Actually, that is my mistake. And you can see this need to be added. Video width and height and the controls. Then you have to mention the type of video with the SRC, source SRC. Sorry, that's my mistake. A big mistake, right? Because I thought I had in that embed in my mind, but embed is easy tag, right? Embed is easy tag. Here for the audios. Here for the audios, again, same audio controls, then source SRC, you have to mention the audio type, MPEG audio like MP3 or so regular one. And this is for the videos. Sorry, that's my mistake. Right, let me add add this. Let's see the difference between this. Just add in, and SR source movie is if video tag is not supported, you can just mention that inside that. So similar to no frame one. Okay, the movie is Sri Lanka Paradise, this one. You don't need OGG, just remove the OGG. I'll keep the OGG just for the, I'll make it a comment, right? Because this is another way of adding a video. OGG files are also. Okay, let's refresh the page and see what's happening with. Okay, the first one you can see, and the second one also you can see. Second one is also came to the page. That is also plain. This is also played. With the audio, video, audio will also come, right? With the audio, video will also come. And you can control the width and height. Embed tag is actually not mentioned there. Why is that? Embed tag seems it's not mentioned, maybe depreciated. So let's see embed tag. Yeah, it's there, but it was not there in that part. Here, embed type image, and you can embed that. Embed is a common one, right? Embed type video WEM, and so you can mention the width and height, right? And here SRC and width and height. So this is common for JP images and common for HTML, common for videos, right? Videos, images, and all. You can commonly use this embed tag. It is common, basically, commonly for images or videos. Audio tag is for audios. Audio tag is for audios. If you want to include MP3, you can add audio tag. So let's add audio also. Audio.
Can we use external resources here?
Yeah, you can use external. YouTube one, so for an example, if you want to include YouTube video, just go to YouTube. And they are generating that, right? So they are generating basically when you go there. So let's say you want to add this one. I'm not sure, some are not allowing, right? Some are not allowing, but when you go there, you can just click on. Yes. So let's skip this advertisement.
Grammarly does more than catch errors. With Grammarly, you can
skip. Then you have to right click on the video. Right click, and then you can see there's something called copy embed code. Copy embed code. You can take that and apply to your page. It's coming as an iframe, isolated frame. It's coming as an isolated frame, but there's a tag, right? There's a tag also in here. You can see for embedding. This is for the videos, no? Here for HTML, YouTube. So there's a new tag. Actually, iframe can be used, but here with this RC iframe, then you can mention the YouTube video. Actually, this is auto-generated. This is auto-generated by YouTube. Iframe and then source, and then so different parameters. So what are the facilities allowed and all? It will be there. So when you save this, let's see, I'm not sure because some videos are not given permission to embed. If you don't have permission to embed, so sometimes it denies. So let me open the allow.html. Okay, you can see this one, YouTube one also is allowed, embedded. YouTube videos also you can add from external source. And Vimeo, other things also, Vimeo and other, most of the video search engines, they are allowing to embed that. Right, you can add that into your page. Okay, audio, that is for the MP3s. Again, you have to say source, SRC, and you have to give MP3 there. So do I have MP3 in my desktop? MP, no. So let's go and see, is there some MP3? There are some, but I'm not sure whether I can play that. Right, okay. So let's go to the downloads. Any MP3 there? SB3s are there. MP3s, any MP3s, MP4s are there. SB3s, MP3. Yeah, I've got themes on MP3, this one. So let's copy that. It's in download, so you have to tell that, go back to the root folder, then go to the downloads folder, and after that, this is relative referencing, right? Right, equal audio dot mpeg. Source is also a self-closing tag. Save it, refresh. Audio, can you hear? I cannot hear that. Is it came to the page? Seems not. Let's go back. The path is correct. Source SRC, the path is correct. Type audio MPEG, that is also correct. So let me check with audio tags. Correct, right? Source controls is missing, sorry. Okay, you can see. So without controls, the player won't appear. Likewise, you can embed audio, video here. So all these things to the browser. This is how embedding media. Okay, generally you can write down everything. So now you have all these things, embedding audio, embedding video. This is embedding YouTube. Right, everything is there. You can just say the minimum for YouTube is iframe, isolated frame, iframe, and inside iframe you can give anything, put it, even a website, right? Iframe, SRC, you can say here http://www.ni.lk. That will also be there in the iframe. That is isolated frame, like frame sets, but an individual frame. So you can give a width. So let's say you need 400, and also height. So let's say you need 300. So likewise, you can give sizes, or you can say style, border equals 0 pixels, no borders. So let's refresh, and you can see ni.lk website. They are here in an isolated frame. So this is good for, again, good for advertisements, but again dangerous. Why? So dangerous means like you can show that as your content, but this is someone else's page. Right? Some are allowed, some are not allowed. Okay, so please take all these things, write down quickly. Okay, forms, in a sense, like forms are created basically to get user inputs. HTML forms. So there are different elements in the forms. So this is the major way of getting user input. Earlier days, HTML was just static website. It's like a newspaper. You go and read the website and come back. So you will get news, nothing else. But after that, after Web 1, Web 2 was developed. In Web 2, web pages became dynamic. Dynamic means users can interact. Users can also give some inputs to the web page. So I'll show a small example of dynamic web page, and next day we can discuss more about this. And this is a dynamic web page. So let's say you have a web page and head section as usual, and you may wonder, right, why I'm not copying, right? So why I'm not copying actually? So there's a reason. You may wonder, so because I can just copy and paste from other page, right? Without doing that, why I'm typing? Because I just want to improve. I'm teaching the same lesson again and again. I think this is like 200 or 300 times that I'm teaching the same lesson. So I won't learn by doing that. I won't learn anything new. So because I'm teaching the same syllabus, same thing to you, to O-level people, to degree students, to singular medium students, I'm teaching the same thing. So how I should improve? So I was thinking about that. Then I thought I should type because it will increase my typing speed. When I develop my typing speed, it's a great experience, because if I can type faster and type super faster, so day by day, if I can practice and improve myself for typing, then that is an additional advantage for me. So that's why I'm typing. I'm typing for me. I'm not typing for you. I'm typing for me. Okay, teaching for you and typing for me. Right. Let's say title of this page is my dynamic page. And inside that, you have the body section. Then the clause of the body section. Inside that, my dynamic page, the first form. Let's say form name is my form, no spaces. Method is, let's say, get. There are two methods, get and post. We'll learn next day. An action is nothing, the same page. Same page action means action hash. It's not going to any other page, remain in the same page. I'm closing the form now. Inside that form, as a paragraph, inside the form as a paragraph, I'm going to type small input box. This is my dynamic page.html. So inside that, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to type a paragraph. Inside the paragraph, I'm going to type, inside the paragraph, I'm going to type input bin text, input type. This is how I get the input type text type input, and name of the input is some text st. And then yes, that's all. And I need a button to input type button, and on click I need to do something. On click need to do something, so that is show this. There is a JavaScript function. I'm using a JavaScript function to show this. Actually, I'll write the JavaScript function in the head section script. In my script, actually, I have a function called show. What this show function does, it will take a variable txt, and that is document.myform dot so what is the text box name, st dot value. And I'm again browsing a division in this document. That division ID is, let's say, result, and I'm browsing that, I'm searching that document dot get element by ID. The ID I'm searching in the results. Dot inner HTML is equal to, actually it's plus equal to existing things plus the txt which I have obtained. So that's all. So let's go to the page and see these documents in the desktop. Let's open the HTML page quickly. This is my very quick dynamic web page. So when I type something in this web page, say I need a button name also. Otherwise, this button will be like bit wide. Value. So please take a screenshot of this. Value equals show. Take a screenshot of this, please. Okay, done. Go here, refresh. Here, I'm typing hello. When I click show, you can see hello there. Hi. It will also be added. How are you? It's like comment inbox. How are you? It will also be added. If I want to add some HTML, bold hello, it will also be added. Okay, but it's not going to the next line. So if I want to go to the next line, I have to concatenate another BR, add a BR to go to the next line. Okay, that's all. Now, hello. Hi. Some text. Going down. It's a dynamic page. I can interact with the web page through the form. I'm taking the page is taking the input and processing the input and displaying the input in the bottom area. Okay, take a screenshot of this. I'll discuss about more dynamic pages and forms next day. Then see you all next week. Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Bye.